Have you ever needed to extract specific information from a string only to find it more complicated than you thought? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn how to find all capital letters in a string using regular expressions in C#. I totally get it. Trying to sift through a string to find just the capital letters can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I find all capital letters in a string?" They provided an example input, electronics and communication engineering, and they wanted the output to be ECE. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what's the best way to tackle this? Regular expressions, or regex, are powerful tools for pattern matching in strings. They can help us identify and extract the capital letters efficiently. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make working with strings in C# even easier. To find all capital letters in a string using C#, the user should start by including the necessary namespaces. This will allow access to regular expressions. Next, the user should define the input string. In this case, the string is electronics and communication engineering. Now, the user can create a regular expression pattern to match all capital letters. The pattern should look for any uppercase letter from A to Z. After defining the pattern, the user should use the regex class to find all matches in the input string. This will return an array of capital letters. Finally, the user can iterate through the matches and concatenate them to form the output string, which will contain all the capital letters found. Fun fact, the term regular expression was coined in the 1950s. It's amazing how something so old is still so relevant in programming today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using link to find all capital letters in a string. They demonstrate this with a simple code snippet that filters the characters in the string, checking if each character is uppercase. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns with different strings to ensure they work as expected. This will save you time and headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to find all capital letters in a string using regular expressions in C#. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle another common programming challenge.